The beautiful girl Maya works in a big house as a servant. The house owner always scolds the Maya. She lived in a small servant room. Prince Arjun rides his horse. He hears someone crying softly. Arjun meets Maya while she is collecting water from a well. The next day, Arjun secretly sends food and flowers for the Maya. The house owners see the Maya talking to the prince and they become angry. Arjun tells his father about the Maya. Finally, they were married and Maya became a princess.